Kasi nga, ilang linggo na po ako hindi nakakapag-online shopping. So, minabuti ko na napasaya na sarili ko. So, meron naman po akong i-unbox today for everybody. Hope you're gonna like this video, ha?
Sunshine, more love, waffle, by cold love and joy. Everything feels rebel. Texas, dreams and travels wide. Life's a journey, love's our guide. Halloween, oh, with Misty. Smiles and adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way. Oh, with Misty. Smiles, adventures, come and see. Happiness in every day. Love and laughter lead the way.
That's a hula. Tara. Meron naman po tayong i-unbox.
This is life with Dudays.
Dahil sa hula. Dahil sa hula. Tara. Meron naman tayong i-unbox. See what's inside. Nakaupo na maayos. Parang ang gulo ng buhay ko today. Anyway, I do hope you're gonna like this video because on the first part of this video, sino makakahula? Ano naman ito? And of course, this is something that is like my addiction at my kind of like a little addiction in ordering online. Sasabihin naman ni Gary, shout out ha. Shout out. Ano naman yan sis? But this is another of my hobbies is to do a lot of unboxing. One, two, three. Screenshot. Minsan kasi nahirapan ako mag-screenshot para sa thumbnail ko. But ayan, saradong pinto ko, maingay pa rin ang TV ng asawa ko. So, hulaan nyo what's inside the box. Inside the box is, of course, meron ako. And of course, alam niyo na, hulaan nyo kung how many ito. Wala ko sa inyo. This is something that is mga ginagawa ko. This is really one of my hobbies. So for those who's watching this this vlog, una makakahula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ayan, kung sino nakahula kung ilan ito at kung ano ito, I'm gonna give 100 bananas. Oops! Yan, may nanalo na. Hindi ko alam kung sino. Parang lang akong baliwan niyo. Anyway, alam niyo na. It's not just one, it's just not two, it's not just three. But, again, 12 pieces of my diamond art ulit. Ay, ako. Addiction na to. Grabe. Sabi nila, mami kami nga, hindi kayo makambili. Mahal-mahal na nga isang piraso ng diamond art. Ikaw talaga, hindi lang isa. Just honestly telling you everybody that I finished the 12 diamond arts that my husband gave me. And then plus the 6 diamond arts that was given to me by my daughter-in-law. And then, meron pa rin nagbigay pa rin sa akin before. In order ko pa pala, aside from this, the four nga ba yung diamond arts the last time that we unboxed. Tapos ko na rin po lahat yun. So, all in all, total of 50 diamond arts that are already finished. And then, yan, naubusan na nga ako. Kaya nag-order na naman ako ng panibagong 12 pieces of diamond arts. But this time, ang mga gagawin ko are Disney. Ayan, mga Disney cartoons naman po. Yung aking gagawin na yan. Once you buy it kasi, isang set na yan. So, I'm using the 30 by 40 na diamond arts. Just like this. This is, ayan, something cute. Pero dito cute eh. Ayan, Toy Story. Ayan, mga design. Toy Story siya. And then, anyway, makikita nyo naman to when I do it on a live stream. So, it's a good, it's really a good, what I call it, niche na mag-live kayo ng naggagawa nito. Kasi it gives you sabihin na natin na in one live stream for 2 hours is like 2,000 views. And then you can gain legit and organic subscribers. So those are just the things that can help your channel to grow. So it's not just all tanim, but something that you can share with others on what kind of things that you're doing. Especially this is a little hobby for me, and I'm happy with it. Though it's really like nakakaduling na. But it makes me feel so good once you finish one art. Oh my god, it's really kind of like a big fulfillment. So everybody, I'm not making yabang, so it's just that this is the things that I do, and a hobby that I can spend my time here in the house without going out, without spending more. Sabi nga ng asawa ko, this is way cheaper than me shopping a lot at the mall. So a happy wife is a happy life na naman. And aside from that, syempre, hindi rin matatapos ang aking mga ganyan-ganyan. So, kailangan natin na, it's really 12. So, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And 12 siya. And I'm really happy with it. And meron pa, there's something more inside the box. So what's inside the box is, nakita ko lang siya kasi I needed ay, ang cute. This is a purse. Yan. Purse, I was afraid. I was petrified. Ayan, it is a purse. Hindi siya branded, but I got it in Amazon. And it's only like $29. Ayan. May dust bag pa siya. Ay, ang cute. O, diba? Kitik-kitik pa tuti. Oh. So, ayun yung laman niya. And then, let's see kung ano ang laman pa ng bag sa loob ng bag. Is another bag. Ay, hindi. Yung mga ano niya. Yung mga ito. Ay, ang cute na diba? It's really cute naman pala. So, I wanted to change my purse kasi. So, medyo babae look naman si Ate Duday. Kind of like this is how it looks like. Mura kasi siya. It's 75% off in Amazon. So, pinili ko na. Kasi, wala na ako maisip ma-order eh. But, ayan nga. If it makes you happy on what you're gonna order. Oh, diba? Ang cute-cute naman niya. Oh. Yeah. See? It's really cute. Ayan. Ayan siya. Maganda ha. Malambot yung tela niya. And this is from Fashion and Bag. So, wala siyang tatak. Mahilig naman ako sa ganyan. Hindi man ako mahilig talaga sa mga mamahalin na sobra. Na basta magagamit ko siya. So, okay na si Ate Duday lang. But anyway, yun lang. These are just a couple of things that I got. Not just couple of things, but 2 different kinds of things that I got in Amazon again. So I'm not Amazon is not yet my sponsor, but I love ordering in Amazon. So yan, that's it. Ewan ko saan gagamitin. But anyway, ayan, may hawak-hawak pa siyang ganyan. So everybody, I'm happy again. I'm really so happy with what I got. So yun, yeah. Don't mind other people, what they're gonna say if they see you na, ay, namimili na naman siya, tapos ganyan. Don't mind those people who's telling you like that. Mind their own businesses, and because you also have your own business that to make yourself happy. It makes you happy on what little things or big things that you're getting. Yan. But always be grateful from the person that always supporting you. Anybody who's always supporting you, just be grateful. And to those people around you, be appreciative. So ayan, a little things, a little kagandahan ng asal po ang tuturo natin here in this channel. And it's not being envious or being jealous to someone. para lang just to reach something that is not essential in your life. Buy something that is essential. This is essential for me because this is my hobby, and then soon this will be my little business. So watch out everybody also, because I'll be posting yung mga finish artwork ko, and then it will be on sale. So so soon. It will be on my page, and also I'm gonna put it in my YouTube channel. So that's it, folks. So a little sharing from Ate D again. So I'm gonna miss you, Ate, no? Hopefully that we're gonna see each other again in my next vlog. So we're gonna see what else that we can unbox. And it's not mahal. Those things are. It's not about the price, okay? It's not about the price, but it is the happiness that the happiness that brings you, okay, in doing something that is really essential to your life. So again, this is the Pascual-Pokrass of the Dudays channel. A happy life is a happy life with this little things that I got. Bye everybody. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be updated in any of my uploads. And don't forget also to check on all my members, because they have been staying with me for such